to listen to me once more. There are two things we all know for certain. First, this case is about loss. A young man, Rob Dougherty, is gone and no verdict to bring him back. Second, this case is about blame. But the question is, are we blaming the right person? The plaintiff wants you to believe that Casey Farnsworth in the mental mental market caused this tragedy by selling a legal product and setting off a chain of events that eventually led to Rob Dougherty's death. But let's go back a moment. Let's turn the clock back, as most people say. Let's not let emotion replace reason. I'll say it again. Let's not let emotion replace reason. The truth is, we don't know who was driving the vehicle at the time of the crash. Danny Green was behind the wheel earlier that night, but later, we don't know. The forensic evidence doesn't tell us, and there's no fingerprints from the steering wheel, no DNA evidence, or no conclusive proof. Just speculation. When it comes to the law, you need proof. But in this case, it doesn't present that. Now let's talk about seatbelts. Rob Dougherty wasn't wearing a seatbelt. And we know from expert testimony that not wearing a seatbelt makes an injection more likely to happen. That means that this crash, tragic as it was, might have not been fatal if Rob was simply bunkered in during the crash. That's not blame, that's fact. It's a fact, simple as that. So let's be real. We don't know who's driving. We know Rob Dougherty wasn't wearing a seatbelt. And we also know that blaming Casey Farnsworth requires a stretch of logic that just doesn't add up. If the plaintiff can't prove who's behind the wheel of the car, how can they possibly prove that Casey is responsible? Now, you ask me, this case isn't about sympathy, it's about fairness. Because if you say Casey Farnsworth is responsible today, you are also saying that every store owner, every clerk, every bartender is also responsible for other people's actions that happen later on down the road. That's not justice. That's looking for a scapegoat. Casey Farnsworth did not pour the drinks. She didn't encourage Danny to drive drunk. And she did not cause the crash. Let's not forget, other sources contribute to Rob Dougherty's death. You have the Hasselhoff, who allowed the party to happen. And you also have the people who brought beer, just like Danny, from the store. So my question is, why not sue the other store or the Hasselhoff? Why just come straight to Miss Farnsworth, my client? So I ask you to do the right thing. Follow the law and don't let the plaintiff fool you with this deceptions or tricks. Because if you do, you won't only be taking money from Casey Farnsworth and eventually her store, because that large sum of money helps her store to keep running on a day-to-day basis. You will also be taking a piece of her life. She has worked day and night and put blood, sweat, and tears into building the Bentonville media market up to what it is now. So I ask you to return a verdict not liable